Hello everyone, my project title is Animated Smart PDF System. My name is Abdullah Alhadi. My GitHub username is Alhadi1009. My EDX username is Abdullah Alhadi. I am from Faridpur, Bangladesh, and today's date is 23 May 2026. This project is a Python-based automation system for generating certificates, ID cards, and as PDF documents. The main goal of this project is to simplify document generation using Python and use all concept of Python that I was learned from CS50 YouTube channel. Now I will demonstrate the project. This is my project. First I run the project.py file. After run, the program appears a menu with multiple options such as create certificate generation, ID card generation, and exit. Now I select the certificate generation option 1. The program asked for the username, course name, and author name. After that, we'll provide a certificate. After finish program, certificate is created. This is final output, that means final certificate. Now I will demonstrate the ID card generation features. The system takes student information and create IDs as PDF format. I am providing two students information. After finish the program will provide a IDs as PDF. This is our IDs that is created before. That is include a QR code system. After scanning QR code, will provide our full information. Use more library and module that's included in requirement.txt file based on a specific purpose. I would like to thank the CS50 team for teaching me Python. This is CS50 final project to me. Thank you.